IELTS speaking session has always been a tough session for most of the students because they check and they require spontaneity and also fluency in that part. And for non-native English speakers, it's been a little tough time sometimes. Hello, my name is Priyanka Bratas and I'm here to talk about IELTS cue card session. Well, IELTS cue card session, as you know, will have a major question followed by some sub-questions. I think I can explain this to you with an example. So I'll start with a major question. Describe something that surprised you and made you happy. That is a major question, followed by the sub-questions. Let me move into that. What it was, who did this, how you found about it, and what you did, and explain why it surprised you and made you happy. So this is a cue card question, and when you get this, you'll have 1 minute to prepare. So how effectively you can prepare in this 1 minute, and that is a major task. First of all, you have to analyze the question and understand which tense it is. That's very important. Tense means the time of explanation. That means whether you have to speak about something that happened in the past or something that is about to happen. Here it is clearly explained that something that surprised you and made you happy, where we can clearly place this incident in the past. So you have to come up with an incident that happened in the past. So once we've cleared with the tense, let's go into the sub-points. These sub-points are definitely helping points where you can help, that will help you to narrate a story, but at the same time it's very important. In order to achieve the task, we have to clear all these, or we have to speak about all these sub-points. So let's answer the sub-points. By answering the sub-points in the 1 minute time, you'll be able to narrate a story or form a story with that. So what it was, you have to think about, certainly we have to think about an incident that happened. So I have chose birthday, that I can say is the simplest and the most easiest incidents that I can come with in this very short time. And the second question is, who did this? You can come up with, let it be relatives, family, siblings, or your husband. So I thought I'll talk about my sisters. Okay, who did this? The surprise was arranged by my sisters. The third question is, how you found about it? I thought of telling, I found it at the last minute, but I do not know what to expect then. And the next question, what you did? I stayed calm without knowing what to expect. And the final question is, explain why it surprised you and made you happy. And my answer for this is, I wasn't expecting a party there, and also my birthday was already over, so I didn't expect any gift or surprises, which extremely made me happy. So these are my explanation for the sub-points, and out of this I'm gonna make a story and present it to you. And for this cue card session, it's always good to have an introduction. But if you couldn't make an introduction in the first 1 minute, then that's okay. Just leave it and move forward with your explanation. So I am thinking of starting with an introduction. Let me try this. So surprise definitely make me happy because people spend time and effort for us, and that's make us feel very special. Today I'm going to talk about my last birthday, where I got a surprise from my sisters. My birthday was on March 30, and I couldn't see any kind of surprise or any gifts that usually I receive on the day. So I was a little disappointed, but I took it in the right sense that my sisters are quite busy with their own life and work, so I thought they might have forgot about my birthday. And I was staying calm. But then they invited me for a party, or invited me to their house without explaining me a proper reason on the very next day. Already my birthday was over, so I didn't expect anything. So I visited them as usual. We used to visit and meet up once in a while. So as a usual routine, I thought of visiting them. And it wasn't an evening. So visiting the house, I could see there was nobody and the door was open. So there was a gut feeling that they've arranged something for me. I was but staying calm without expecting anything. I didn't know what to expect and how to react. But then I could see flash of lights and sounds and music wishing me happy birthday. I was extremely happy and so much overwhelmed with happiness because I could see my sisters with a lot of gifts and also my friends. A party was arranged from their side. I felt very blessed to have such kind of siblings who would always wish to make me happy, and I was over the moon. So this was a time I felt very blessed and surprised a lot because I never had such a birthday before. Thank you. I hope I have completed 2 minutes with these explanation, and I made sure that I came up with an idiomatic expression like over the moon. So these idiomatic expressions usually come with a native speaker's tongue. On native speaker's tongue. So if you add in your speech in the right context, then that definitely add marks for you. And complex sentences are important, but that shouldn't be a mechanical effort. That should come very fluently and genuinely. So I hope this video helped you to come up with a good Q-cut session. So if it helped you, please comment and also like this video, and you can share it to your friends too. So if you want more such videos, also you can mention to us. We'll come up with more creative and useful videos for us. Thank you so much. This is Priyanka Pratas from Let's Update Language Academy.